Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Our company is called Smart Mimic, and we are manufacturing security on-the-go products. For instance, we have a product called Mimic Bike, which secures your bike against theft under any situation. It has a carbon fiber enclosure, so it's very hard to tamper, and there is no data fees at all. This is the biggest value proposition of this product. We are utilizing brand new communication technologies, wireless communication technologies, which is called LoRa, and it can lead you to track your bike up to 15 kilometers of range from the base station in an open field without any data charge. It's $49.99. So this product is called Mimic Go, which is used to secure your luggage when you're on the go, or secure your apartment room or Airbnb room, let's say. When you're away from your room, if you don't want anyone to enter your room without your allowance, this device can detect the movements and notify you with its LoRa technology, so that you would be notified about tampering or infiltration when it happens without any data fees.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.